Are your deep conditioners really working for you? Are they doing what they're supposed to do? Are they helping you to retain length and boost moisture retention in your hair? Well, this video is for you. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Proverbs 3:5. Hello and welcome back to my channel, New Growth Naturals. My name is Samantha. I am a natural hair specialist. I specialize in natural hair care and natural hairstyles. In this video, I'll be sharing with you on deep conditioners, how they actually work, and the best types of deep conditioner you need based on your type 4 hair. Why do I say type 4 hair? I'm currently doing, this video is the 7th video in the series of how to grow long 4C hair or type 4 hair. So I'm dealing specifically with type 4 texture. Sorry, other curl patterns are okay. But I have 4C hair, and for years my hair has been short and it has been stunted. Check this picture out. And this is what it's like now. It grows to waist length. So you know that I have the knowledge about how to really care for 4C hair regardless of your hair's porosity, because I not only care for my hair texture, I care for clients that have different hair types, and I've seen the worst scenario of stunted growth that has really improved a lot. So I'm here to help you with your 4C hair growth. So let's go into what you came here for. So for those of you, I am assuming that you're a beginner, you don't know what deep conditioning your hair means. Let me explain that to you. Deep conditioning your hair is basically the process of adding a protein or a moisture-based conditioner treatment to your hair. A deep conditioning product can be a concoction that you make to deep condition your hair. It can be a regular condition that you have improved and use as a deep conditioner, as well as it can be a conditioner that is specifically made for the purpose of deep condition your hair, and that's like the store-bought ones. Whenever I apply treatments to my clients, for it to be most effective, I like to do deep conditioning treatments. And guys, you can't go wrong with doing a good deep conditioning treatment. You just need to know your hair's porosity. You just need to know how well your hair is able to absorb that product, the needs of your hair. And once you know that, you could go ahead and do deep conditioning, because this is the most effective way to actually treat your hair, whether it's natural, relaxed, whatever texture you have. If you don't know how to apply a deep conditioner mix to your hair, basically after you have shampooed your hair and washed it out thoroughly, then you go ahead and add whatever deep conditioners that you want to use on your hair. Then you put on a shower cap or a plastic bag on top of your hair, and you sit under dry for like 20 to 40 minutes. Or you can use a damp hot towel to wrap your head over the plastic cap and allow it to sit for 20 to 40 minutes so that the heat can activate the conditioner that can raise the cuticle of your hair, so that the moisture or the product that you're using on your hair can really penetrate the strands of your hair. So that's deep conditioning 101, free lesson for you. So after 20 to 40 minutes, you want to thoroughly rinse that deep conditioning product out of your hair with cold water. And that ensures that your cuticle will be sealed properly and to lock all that the moisture and product that you have just infused into your strands, I hope you understand what I'm saying. So now that you understand what deep conditioning your hair is for the beginners, let's jump into the best type of deep conditioning product that you want to use for your type 4 hair. First thing to note when considering to deep condition your hair or choosing a deep conditioner for your hair is your hair's porosity. Porosity refers to how well your hair is able to absorb moisture from the product. For those of you that don't know, I have a video on how to test your hair porosity. Click this link right here to see that video. So when you know your hair porosity, for example, if your hair is high porosity or low porosity, then you want to consider choosing your deep conditioners based on that. For example, if I have low porosity hair, I would not use a deep conditioner that contains protein. Why? Because that is going to make your hair hard, it's going to sit on top of your hair, and your hair may end up breaking. You want to use moisturizing deep conditioners for low porosity hair. For high porosity hair, then you want to use all the protein in the world, all the protein based products that you can find to actually create a barrier over your hair cuticle to actually prevent the moisture from seeping out of your hair and for also strengthening your hair strand. So that is it for you. So first, you're going to choose based on your hair porosity, protein or moisturizing deep conditioners. For me, basically, I like to use DIY deep conditioners. Why? Because I find that by using organic deep conditioners that I made at home, my hair is happier, my hair feels softer, I know what exactly is in them. I have nothing against store-bought ones. As a matter of fact, when I am feeling lazy or in a hurry, there's actually a store-bought deep conditioner that I use, and that is the Afro Love Hair Souffle. I'll show you later on in the video what that looks like. I use that, but I am keen whenever I choose my deep conditioners to check the ingredients for any harmful products that may be in it. And don't be fooled about deep conditioners that say, oh, all natural. Don't let the labels or intense moisture trick you. Read your ingredients. Get familiar with the ingredients that are in your product that are healthy for your hair or that are harmful for your hair. So what they are doing is basically, because natural hair is suddenly a thing, what they're doing is rebranding their products. So they're taking back their products that were just for relaxed hair or other hair types separate from natural hair, and they're just putting a different fragrance in it, giving it a different color, relabeling them, rebranding them as all natural hair products. Don't be fooled. Check the ingredients. They have not necessarily changed, but you need to educate yourself on the ingredients that you should look for in your natural hair products that actually work. But guys, I would suggest to you the more organic that you can go, especially if you have type 4 hair, to stick to the organic stuff. I know a lot of us, it can be time consuming to be honest, and a lot of us don't have time, but here's a tip on what you could do to stem the amount of time that you spend preparing your deep conditioners. Normally when I do mine, I prepare a big batch and I parcel it, or you can put it in the freezer for another time. When you're going to deep condition your hair, you take it out, allow it to thaw out, and then you go ahead and use it again. Especially at the salon, I not like to use organic deep conditioners on my clients based on their hair porosity, based on the damage that is done to their hair, and they are seeing real progress by me doing this. I literally have my magic bullet there. I blend my avocado, I blend my ripe banana, had my honeys and my oils, different stuff to it to really make it potent, to really suit the needs of my hair. The key to really getting great results from your deep conditioners is consistency. When you are being consistent, you will notice awesome difference in your hair, in your length retention, in your moisture balance, and in the overall health of your hair. So you want to make sure each time you wash your hair to follow up with a deep conditioner. After you have done your deep conditioners, you want to ensure that it is thoroughly rinsed from your hair. Usually I use a regular conditioner to rinse the deep conditioner out of my hair. But for example, if you're doing a protein based deep conditioner and you added like eggs to it, you want to use a shampoo at least for once and wash it, then use your conditioner, because you don't want to leave any residue of that egg in your hair, because yeah, it will smell and it's going to make your hair hard after a while. So you want to get rid of that. Usually I follow up my deep conditioners with a regular conditioner to rinse it out, but if I use protein, I'm going to use shampoo, then follow up with a conditioner. If you're really interested to grow your 4C hair long, and I'm not giving you a magical solution, this will take time, it will take consistency, it will take patience, but I guarantee you that it will work. It has worked for me, it has been working for my clients, and I'm sure if you're committed to this journey, you will make it as well. And some persons in the comment section tend to come at me and say, oh, I'm growing my hair for 4 years and I've taken care of my hair and I haven't seen any improvement, no length, no whatever. What have you been doing in that 4 year? What do you consider taking care of your hair to be? I'd like to know. So comment below, let me know what your regimen has been like, what have you been using on your hair, what your hair's porosity is, and I'd really like to help each of you individually. So comment below and let me know what you have been doing. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you want to go ahead now and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video in this series, because I'll be doing a 3-month growth challenge, and this unfortunately is the 7th video in the series, but you can still go back. You can click the link right here to see a playlist of the videos that I've uploaded before, and they're easy to follow through. And trust me, if you follow through with these videos, you're guaranteed to see progress. And a lot of persons have been commenting below how much they have tried the remedies and how well it is working for them so far. So guys, check them out, get on board, and let's do this. Really like for you to comment below. Let me know how often you have been deep conditioning your hair, or if at all, if you have ever been deep conditioning your hair. And now that you're about to start, let me know what challenges you're having with your deep conditioners, or if you want ideas or more ideas on how to successfully deep condition your hair.